How do you
Yay!
play this game?
What are we doing?
Oh, wait, what are we doing?
You
Grab a
pay to
rock,
win.
Grab a rock! Grab a
You
rock!
What to pick up?
Want to pick up?
Oh no, I'm lagging.
slap a tree. Let's go, Mr. Ted.
Oh god. Oh god.
I'm
I
at the
ran
What's
away
beginning
all my
too
for
rocks?
chest.
Dude, what the fuck?
I
Meanwhile,
forgot how
the
to pick
apple.
up stuff. Oh no.
dude, I'm busy clicking E to pick up stuff. Meanwhile, this is auto pick up.
Wait, what?
I have auto pickup.
Bing bing bong bong bing
What?
bing.
There's auto pickup?
Are we gonna
There's
be a
no rock
community?
for me, bro.
How do I pick up the wood? How do I pick up the wood?
There's no rock for me, bro. I'm sad.
Then I don't know how to help you, dude.
No rock, I said.
This guy.
I'm fast as fuck, boy!
This guy. This is the crafting bench right here. He comes and puts his on.
Yeah, but I see you, bro. You wanna go? Bro, wanna base exit? Wanna base, bro? Wanna base?
What do I need?
What the fuck is happening? You They're griefing each other.
So this is why I said don't enable player damage.
That's fine, it adds more to the game.
They're just gonna kill each other. Be like, give me them coins, boy.
I'm better! Oh shit!
That's me, bro, what the fuck?
As
I'm
it says on
better! It slaps me and now I'm 3 HP.
I'm
Doesn't
with
hit
you.
as much as I thought it would.
Right with you. That 1 cage.
Oh!
Oh, you have to go away. Whoa, I
I'll
died.
get Travis.
Whoa, dude.
Fucked up.
I'll get Travis real quick and then I'll come back.
Whoa, zoomer.
Okay, never mind. Double switch. Go get them. Go get Travis. I'll deal with
This
I'm being
is
chased.
Sparta!
Whoa! Dude, he threw his spear at me. I just fucking.
Bro,
collapse.
This man's hunting. Dude, we enabled
Taunting,
I don't know
dude.
why that's gonna work for the bosses. There's
Buff
mods
Gronk.
in this game.
Ooh.
Oh god. I feel like with the engine like this, there should be mods for this game, right?
I mean, there can be a mod community. Mod anything. Oh, they got you.
The statue is the one that...
39
Oh, we
kills.
get a thingy. We get a summary now.
Did 5k
We get a
damage.
summary of what everyone did.
That's nice.
Died.
Damn, I got 1,400 gold, bro. Let's go.